Hey, how's it going? Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations. Hope you're just having a great day today. And today I want to chime in about success is planned. All right. Basically, success is a plan and it's been followed and it's been taken massive action on. And that's why it's successful. So success is planned. And again, if we're failing to plan, then we are planning to fail. So basically, starting to take steps without an actual plan of action and where we're going to be going next, all right, is basically setting up for failure. Yes, taking massive action right away is number one. You know what? Take that first step, but you already know what the first step is that you need to do. For any goal this is, any area of our life, you know what I mean? But if we don't have a plan moving forward, how do we know it's going to lead us to our end goal? All right? So again, if we're failing to plan, we're planning to fail. All right? But success is planning. Success is planning. Success is basically setting up that roadmap, that step-by-step roadmap of exactly where we want to go, all right? And that's going to basically give us the, then there's hows along the way. How are we going to get there, all right? And then it's just a matter of smashing through and taking that massive action. And that's the only way we're going to get there, all right? But if we have a plan and we have a plan of how we're going to get there, that plan is basically showing us, okay, I need to take this step, then I need to take this step, then this step, and then it's just a matter of plowing through those, take that massive action, and you need to get there. So basically, again, that's that success is planned. We created that plan and we started following that plan, taking massive action, and we planned it. Success was planned. All we had to do was take that action once we had the plan, all right? But again, if we're failing to plan, then we're planning to fail. So basically, I love those concepts. I love, thinking about those in terms of, the only way that we can be successful in any area of life, whether it's spiritual, mental, finance, family, work, social, physical, wherever it may be, is by creating a plan and then following that plan with massive action. And that is the success we create for ourselves. Or otherwise, we're just spinning around circle because we haven't really even defined exactly what we want. All right, and maybe we have, but we just say, you know what, I want this, and we're feeling bad for ourselves. You know what, if we haven't created a strategic plan, one that's maneuverable along the way, we haven't earned the right, all right, to exactly where we want to be. But by doing that, putting that plan together and basically just putting everything we have into our actions, beelining towards that, to what we truly desire, all right, is basically going to prove it, and it's going to earn it at the end of the day. That's what it's all about. So hope you got some great stuff out of this, basically this mind mush I just had. I just wanted to get out there and hope you got some good value out of it. Thanks again so much for watching. Trev Bucheri here at Core Capacity Transformations. Have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.